Hey guys, this is Golden Parrot, and we have another guest. So, how's it going, Dad?
It's going really well. I'm at the bottom of the screen. Golden Parrot's at the top of the screen.
Yes, top.
Golden Parrot's doing all this crazy jumping.
I don't care. Ah!
Okay, so now I just got started, so I'm going to have a bunch of level ups to start off
You
with.
are. I already have a level up. This is so cheap. And you can die by doing that. Don't. I'm a level 42. I know more. I'm a higher level. Plus,
Whoa, this is a cool place.
my Argentavis is up there. So level 53. Oh yeah, you wouldn't like to mess with me. If you do, you're ending up in heaven. Probably. Ow, come on. Where's the door? Yeah, that's good.
Oh,
I clicked with him. Yeah. Where are you?
I'm leveling up on speed and melee damage.
You notice there's something right there.
Whoa!
I know, it's an Archie.
That is so
Not
cool.
surprising. He has red feet. I didn't put gloves on his feet.
Did you tame? When did you tame that guy? Where'd you find him?
Here.
He was just around somewhere. Now, did you have to tame him with meat or with?
I force tamed him. He's a carnivore. I
Did you
force
spawn
tamed him because I didn't want a saddle.
Did you spawn him in, or was he here?
He was here. He was a green. I just saw a green RG. I was like, I gotta get it, bruh. Oh, and there's an Ichthyanus.
Tell me this guy's tamed.
He's tamed.
He looks like
An Allosaurus.
really mean.
He looks like an
Are they
Allosaurus.
snuggling? It looks like they're snuggling.
Oh yeah, there's an Ichthyanus. What I'm calling them, Ichthyanuses.
An itchy anus?
Ichthyanus.
Do you need to go to the bathroom?
No.
No? Okay. Oh, you're talking about the creature.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
it's a Ichthyornis, but I'm calling it Ichthyanus because they're really annoying.
Alright. What else?
What?
do you have
They
around?
steal your stuff.
What? Tell me this guy's tamed.
He is. He's a saber-toothed tiger.
He looks amazing.
He's a saber-tooth. Oh, and he might kill you. Yeah. Oh, I'm too heavy. Come on, I was about to bite you. Oh, the saber-tooth's almost dead. Got any meat? Because I need it. Oh, my owls have a lot of meat. Dad, I have a job for you. Can you please make sure all my dinos have food? They're every single one of my dinos are carnivores, so feed them meat. Like, I'll give you a spear. Want a spear?
Yeah, that would definitely help.
Actually, yeah. Oh yeah, there's a spear. Here's 10 boas. I'm giving you some wood. You're encumbered. I need some. There's some flint. If you ever make it, I might make you a crossbow. That's only a maybe though. It's only a maybe. Oh, and there's a megalodon in this lake, so bucketful. Okay, so let's get this moving. Dodo! Dodo, 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 dodo. I want you. Yes. I knocked out the dodo. It's gonna be my cutest one. Please take dodo. I did it! Hi, dodo. No, no. Oh, okay, yeah, you can do that.
I need to get meat somewhere.
Dodo, we have a dodo, dodo, dodo. Dodo, 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 dodo. Why are you calling a pterosaur?
We need meat. You gave me a mission to feed our...
I don't care. Just going in the water. Be careful, there's a megalodon near. This is Dodo's bedroom. From now on, this is Dodo's room. It's Dodo's room. No one mess. Hey, why'd you whistle? I'll help you. Where are you? Doing a bunch of damage. That thing was a level 47. That could be useful. Why'd you kill it? Should've looked at the level. Okay. Can you move? Can you move?
Yeah.
Okay, go back to the base and feed our saber-tooth.
I will. I'm going to level up real quick, though. Give myself
There's
some
a turtle. I want to kill it.
movement and speed.
I want to kill that turtle. I want to kill you, turtle. Die, 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 die. Where are you, Mr. Turtle? Die, 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 Mr. Turtle. Die, 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 die. Die, die, Mr. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ew, come on. Die. Plus, I also want kite and armor stuff. Yeah, you killed a turtle. Die, 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 die. That's my
How do I check
turtle.
the inventory of
X.
Dino? X, okay.
Level up.
How can I tell if they need meat or not?
Oh, that pterodon has hardly any meat. Put meat in there.
Okay, but how can I tell? Oh, just...
He has 4 meat.
Okay.
Ah. See?
Oh, okay.
Oh, it's 6. 6. My eyes are bad.
All right, I'll put a couple more in there. How do I add meat to his inventory?
Hold it.
Hold what, A?
A.
Okay.
You beginner again?
I don't play as much as you play.
Oh,
So yes, count me a beginner.
okay. You used to be a master, now you're a beginner again. Okay. So I'm back at base. Is there a vulture? I think there's a vulture. So there's Sabertooth. He's good on me.
All these guys look pretty good.
Good. Nice. The RG is definitely good. Egg. Egg. We can make kibble. Allosaur egg. We need that. Some feces can be used for fertilizer. If we're ever gonna grow some stuff with them. Like, it says Chinto berry seeds, don't grow those. You can get those really.
Guys, it's been a pleasure to be here with the Golden Parrot. Went around, got some meat, and now in the next video, we're gonna work on a bunch of other stuff. Golden Parrot, you have anything you want to say?
Bye. I will see you next time, which is gonna be like in an hour or something.